YouTube, MissVindicat here, and I've got a newspaper for you guys. First of all, let me just tell you I wanted to do the ASMR tag video today because I was tagged by Tingles with Flyby, which I really appreciate, but I only have about 15 minutes to record this video, and I won't be able to finish that tag video, so I hope I'll be able to do that one tomorrow. And I thought I should do something today that is a bit shorter. So this is actually the newspaper that I work for, and on the back side there are some cartoons, and there are the Sudokus that I've been solving before in videos, and then there's this and these two images. There are supposedly 10 differences, and we have to find them. So I'm going to see if I can find them all. And let me tell you, one time, it was so funny. One time I was solving this puzzle and I hardly ever solve it. And then I found 11 differences and I was like, what the fuck? So I've got 3 things to write with. I've got a green marker, a yellow marker, and a blue pen, just like a regular pen. And I don't actually know what works best. I think maybe the pen, because probably the colors won't be that visible. So let's get started. First of all, here it says Bertus, which is a Dutch name, and that is the person that drew these images. I'm not particularly fond of this style, but that's personal, I guess. So let's start with the dog. The dog has an arrow in its mouth, and I don't see any differences there. Then the nose of the dog. Nope. The eyes, the ear. Ah yes, the back of the dog is different. Now, even as a little child, I was confused. Which one is the correct one? Am I going to mark the difference here, or both? But let's go with the left side. And I would also really like it if the person would one day change this number. This is apparently the number of the it's almost 3,000, by the way. But yeah, that this would be 2997, just as a joke. Alright, so I think that will be it for the dog, but you never know. Then this cactus behind here. Well, that does look similar, right? So this cactus, yes, this cactus is different. And now this one over here on the right side looks a bit strange, so maybe that is the odd one, but alright, I've got 2 differences. Then let's do this guy. First, the shoes. I don't see any differences. The shadow behind it, nope. Then the trousers, yes. Over here there is a difference. So that is number 3. And then this looks the same. His butt, his belt, his hand looks a bit strange, but I think it is similar. And then his shirt, yes. Over here, yes. His arms, his neck, ear, mouth, nose, eyes. It's all similar. Wow. See the headband. On the right side there are dots, and on the left side there is this curly line. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 differences. But that is not enough. Here on the left the rocks are different than here on the right. So that is number 5. Alright, let's follow this green stuff. I don't this side. Ah, yes, here. 2 points, and on the right side is just 1 point. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, we're getting there. Then, oh, Mike wants to cuddle. She's so cute. Then this part over here. Mike, it doesn't really work. Oh, Mikey. Mikey. That's a bit of spot for you. Alright, so let me see. It goes up. Yes, like that. Ah, then here. On the right side, there's this gap. In here, there isn't. Oh, Mike. Yeah, you can lay there, but do it quietly, okay? She's getting better at it. Well, I don't know. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 3 more. Wow. I must not be looking very closely at this. Hey, what do you want? Do you want to cuddle? She's making a noise and then she's scaring herself with the noise she just made. Alright. The hair. No, that is similar. So his name. Can his name be different? Yeah, but it isn't. These little lines in the sense. There's one over here, correct. 2 over there, correct. 1 over there, yes. Alright, the shadows. No, there seem to be the same shadows. But there must be more things. I look at his other hand. I maybe did not look at the other hand. Well, I don't see it. Then let me see. The tail of the dog is different. I thought it was wiggly at both sides, but yeah, damn, the right side, the tail looks strange. I should have marked the differences on the right one. But well, I didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 more. The answers are here, by the way. So they're just printed here, but they are upside down, so I'm not looking at them and I don't accidentally see them because it's a bit harder to read upside down. And I can take a look, if I'm not able to find them, but I actually don't want to because how hard can it be, right? I'm at 8 minutes, so I've got some time. Alright, let me see. Is there anything in the grass? Nope. The arrow. Is the arrow different? Oh, yes, that's just a tiny difference, but actually the arrow on the right looks better, so here it makes sense that I would, mark the differences on the left. I don't know. Maybe I'm just thinking too much about this. Probably am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 1 to go. Alright. The nose, the eyes, the hair, the ear, the clothes, the arm. Do you guys see it already? If you do, please leave me a comment stating at which point in this video you saw it, what minute. But I doubt that you see it because this is very difficult. I don't know, is this supposed to be for kids? Oh wait, I see it, but I don't understand it. The green stuff here almost touches the mountain on the right and it doesn't on the left. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm not going to see if I can find number 11 because, alright. Now I'm going to try to read the words and see if I was right. 1 is staart, which is tail. Yes. Then the cactus on the right side. Yes, I've got that one. I might color them if I like that. So the tail, yes. Cactus, right? Yep. Mountain, right? Yes. Number 3. Then the left top side. That's all it says. No explanation, just the left top side. So probably that one. 5 is the pens on the left side. Yes. Then 6 is the mountains in the middle. Ah, yeah, this must be this one. 7, the back of the dog. Indeed, there we've got it. Then the right downside, without any further explanation. That must be that one. 9 is the arrow, the point of the arrow, and then 10 is the hairband thingy. So yes, I've got them all, guys. So yeah, what do you think of the drawing? What is it actually? It is a guy with green shoes, and apparently he has a bow and arrow, and he's been shooting the arrow, and the dog is returning it. And he is somewhere in a desert-like environment, although there seem to be grass in between the cactuses, which is pretty odd, I'd say. And then there is this green clouds going on that looks kind of poisonous. But then again, the guy and the dog seem to be doing fine. They're both laughing and they seem to enjoy themselves. So actually, it is strange. And now I'm wondering, how would this Bertus person create these drawings? Would he first just create one drawing that he likes, and then just think about the changes he can make, and does he copy the drawing? So is it like a digital thing, or does he draw one first and then digitalize it? I'm actually pretty curious, but I have no idea. Yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. I'm sorry it isn't a really long one, but I hope you'll be able to enjoy it nonetheless. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do the ASMR deck video tomorrow, and otherwise, soon